Welcome to the 3 weeks weight loss challenge. We've got a full body workout today that's just 10 minutes. It's gonna be fun. Let's burn some calories. Don't be alone in your fitness journey. Join the rest of the community on Instagram, YouTube, or Discord if you need that motivation. And as always, the full 3-week schedule is on my website. Now, smash that like button for me, subscribe with notifications turned on, and also please leave a comment down below. I'll really appreciate that, and let's get started. We've got 26 exercises across 3 sets, back-to-back exercises 20 to 30 seconds long and 10 seconds rest time in between sets. Make sure you've done your warm-ups. We'll need just a fitness mat, and we're gonna start with bouncing high knee. We're doing a high knee here, but we're gonna add an extra hop on each leg. Work those legs and remember to engage your core, guys. No rest here, we're gonna spread our arms wide. Front knee slightly bent and one leg behind you. Then bring your arms down, tap your foot and repeat. Remember to engage that core and stay balanced. Nice work, guys. We're going back into bouncing high knees. Just like before, nice and easy, and you got this. Similar to before, we're doing wide arms back kick but on the other leg. Keep that core engaged, guys. Now we're gonna clap our hands forward like so, while bring one leg out laterally at a time. Make sure your back is straight, core engaged, and arms straight too. We're only resting in between sets, guys, so keep pushing yourself. You can do it. We're halfway through set 1. Next, we've got squat reach. Squat down, bring your arms up from the side, then squat back down and repeat. Work those glutes and legs, and as always, remember to engage your core. It's time for some squat pulses. You can do it. Just 4 more exercises to go and we'll have a short break. Nice and easy. Keep going. Now start with a nice and easy jog, kicking your legs forward one at a time while circling your arms. Keep that heart rate up, guys. Burn those calories. You got this. Similar to before, we've got lateral step claps. Make sure your arms don't droop down. Keep them straight and parallel to the ground. We're almost there. Here's the burnout exercise to end set 1. Let's do a burpee followed by throwing some punches in front of you. Let's finish off set 1. Great work, guys. That's set 1. We've got a 10 seconds break. Pause the video here if you need a longer break. We're starting set 2 with high knee variation. Stand upright with one leg behind. We're going to alternate between tapping your knee and tapping your elbow against your knee as you do a crunch. Remember to engage that core and keep pushing. Now do a squat and touch the ground and hop laterally and repeat. The remaining 2 sets are shorter than the first one, so keep pushing guys, you got this. The hard set is over. Similar to before, we are working on the other leg. Just 5 more exercises to go to finish off set 2. We're going to do a squat followed by a little twist to the side while punching upwards and repeating on the other side. Make sure you squat as low as you can and keep your back straight and core engaged. Now bring one leg behind your other leg and bring your elbows back, squeezing your shoulder blades together. This works your back. You're doing great guys, now keep your back straight and bring your feet out to the side one at a time while you lift those arms upwards. Watch your form, core engaged, make sure you're not just flopping around. Just 3 more exercises for this set, you got this. Now we're going to do an overhead reach by punching or bringing one arm up, but do so twice before moving on to the other side. The last exercise of this set is super easy. We're going to do lateral lunges. I told you guys the hard set was over. You got this, just 1 more set to go. And that's set 2 guys. Pause the video here if you need a longer break or just keep going. Let's start the last set with high knee. Try to go as fast as you can to bring that heart rate back up, but know your limits guys. Next we've got some lunges. Work those legs and booty, just 3 more exercises to go. Make sure your front knee doesn't pass your toes. Girl, I got a confession to make. Promise it'll only take a second. Girl, I got a confession to make. We've got jumping jacks next. Make sure you're landing safe. Keep that heart rate up. Keep going, guys. Next, we've got some squats followed by some overhead punches. Make sure you're squatting down low and keeping your back straight. Core and glutes engaged, then throw some punches when you get back up. Girl, I got a confession to make. Promise it'll only take a second. Not long to go guys, we've got high knee twist next. Twist to the side with your arms like so and lift your knee up to the opposite side. Work that core of yours and keep going guys. Onto the other leg. Just 3 more exercises to go guys, you've got this. So how about Next, we've got burpee boxes again. Keep pushing through. If you're starting to feel tired, just take it slow and go at your own pace. Just don't give up on me now, we're almost done. And the last exercise is some squat pulses. You have no reason to quit on me now. Let's wrap up this workout. And that's the workout, guys. You did it. Hope you enjoyed this workout. Rest up and keep going with the rest of the schedule. Smash that like button for me, and I'll really appreciate it if you could drop a comment down below as well and tell me what you think of the workout, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.